Hey guys, hello everyone. Uh, Today we are starting a new session, SAP Learning. Before going to SAP Learning, I will just explain you about the SAP and ERP because sometimes everyone is confused about ERP and SAP. So basically, ERP is just a process. ERP is just a integrated business management software. Like that means what is the ERP? So first of all, we should know about the ERP system. ERP is system is integrated and interlinked with your sales data, your sales process, your HR process, your finance process, your production process, your manufacturing process, your inventory process. So, so these are the things which we are going to control. It's called as the ERP system. And right now there are many tools exist in this world which is control your business and streamline your process. And what is the SAP? So SAP is just the ERP tool. It's leading a ERP software nowadays. It's a very famous and very means very every industry use this SAP system. It's capturing almost area of market SAP rather than other object. Now the major ERP software exists in this world. Your first is SAP and second is I will just telling you not second. I'm just saying after SAP. So we can go through Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, Sage, etc. There are multiple and 100 plus ERP solutions worldwide exist. But SAP current date is using very large. It's capturing a very large area. Every industry is using the SAP. Whatever industries like retail industries, FMCG industries, manufacturing industries, every industries. So this is the introduction of the new course. So we are going to learn each and everything regarding what is cloud ERP, what is on-premise ERP, hybrid ERP. So there is no need to confuse about this ERP and SAP. SAP is just a tool of ERP. So the system we are controlling the to streamline your business is called the ERP system. And what tool we can use? We can use SAP, Oracle, and so on. So we will just start a new session. We will explain you about the SAP, how we can learn SAP from beginner level, and how we can learn SAP the part like what is the company, plant, FI module, and different things. We will discuss later on. So meanwhile, you can just subscribe and just put the comment so that I can just leverage your comment and improve the process, improve the what we need to add on in our lecture. So that just please like and subscribe and share it. Thank you so much.